Hey guys, what is up? Okay, so yesterday I tried making a video, but like something was going on with my phone, so I could not make a video at all. So I just decided to wait till today. But I'm doing the Makeup Revolution Birds of Paradise. Now, I tried using the eyeshadow palette. The look that I was creating was not what I was expecting, so I'm going to try something else that was different because I was going in with the greens, and for whatever reason this green right here is just like that. It's like mushy. It's a very pretty green though, but for whatever reason it's just like not what I expected. Now this palette for right now is still like not my favorite. I'm very disappointed in it so far, and I don't know what else to say about that, but I was really upset with it. But I'm gonna try it again, but go in with other colors and go from there. So I'm just gonna put on some face primer real quick. This is the Pharmacy VFX mattifying primer that we have available. It is actually also in our Bliss bundle, which is awesome. Not only that, it also has our mascara, skincare items, and our coffee. I forget which coffee it is. I did order it, so if anyone has any questions about that, just let me know. And that coffee does help with digestion. It helps your anxiety some. And I just started drinking or putting it in with my stuff, so it's so far it's not so bad. I don't know exactly if it helps with anxiety or anything, because I mean, of course, I always have anxiety, so it's just one of those things. But yeah, all right. So now this palette, I'm telling you guys, it's not really my favorite, but I am going to still try and give it a go still. But I don't know. I am hoping that I can do something with this eyeshadow palette. I honestly, as the other palette that I had gotten, I would not be upset if I lost it or if it just went somewhere, like for example the trash. I would not be upset with it. I would not be upset with it being gone. Now their eyeshadow palettes are very affordable. They are about $15 a pop, so that's really not that bad. I got the 3 palettes on their website because I was looking for particular eyeshadow palettes. So one of them was the dolphin right here. This is the Hydra Dolphin. And then the other one, I was looking for the Hydra Turtle, but I can't find it anywhere anymore. Can't find it online. I cannot find it anywhere, which is very upsetting because I really want that. I really want that palette, but it's whatever. I'm just gonna go with the flow. All right. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Tweet. It's more of a coral orange shade. Now these does have quite a few kickback. Like, you know, like whenever there's residue. I can't think of the word. So far the shade is really not that bad. I like the shade. But those, I mean, the greens are not, I would not say they were horrible shades. I would not recommend the greens at all. Don't forget, you guys, I do have a giveaway going on If anyone is interested, make sure that you guys go on to my Lunar Beauty playlist, and make sure that you do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if anyone is interested in checking that out. I do try to do some giveaways when I can, or if I can afford it, stuff like that. Just make sure that you guys do that. It is the Lunar Beauty Volume 2 Moonspell eyeshadow palette and the 3 lips. Oh, also, I tried using the purple with the greens as well, and the purple literally just disappeared. So, yeah, that's one thing I was not really happy about. So, I don't know, like, what? I don't know. Alright. I'm gonna go in with Toucan Play right here. It's like an orange shade, and I'm gonna put that kind of like right below my eyelid here, and use Tweet as my transition shade. I wouldn't say that these eyeshadow palettes are crappy, but they're not really my favorite. If you guys catch my drift. Alright. Now, and there's like not even that many like metallics or shimmers. I mean, they have that pressed glitter right there, which is not my favorite. I hate pressed glitters. Exotic and Lovebirds right here. And then, of course, they have Hot Tropic, which I might use for my inner corner. And then Fiesta right here, which is also very pretty. But it's also this Hot Tropic shade is very, I think it just like kind of got ruined or something. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I really don't know if I want to keep this palette. Anyway, like at all. Still have to do the other eye. Okay, I don't, like, look at my finger. And then look at the pan. I wouldn't say that it's like the worst thing to like have for your eyeshadow palette, but I don't like that. I do not like that at all. So, I don't know. I will not be disappointed if I just like, you know, got rid of the palette. So, if you guys don't see it that often, I'm going to also use the green and put that right next. That's pretty. I don't know. Whatever. Alright, so I am going to try this shade right here. It's called Ma Cow or something. I don't know. I'm going to put that on the outer corner. See how that goes. Because that purple literally like disappeared on me, so I don't find it a reason to try to use that. But also, like, I wouldn't say this shade disappears, but it doesn't turn out to the shade that is expected. You know? Quite a bit of fallout. But I also tried to grab as much as I can. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really happy with this palette at all. But whatever. Alright, so I'm also going to go in with the VFX foundation in shade 6. And that is also called Fanned. I haven't tanned in a little bit, so I'm hoping that it will be like an okay shade. I've been using the shade anyway, but yeah. Now you can find this foundation on my website. If anyone is interested in pharmacy, I know most people are like, it's an MLM, I'm not going to support MLMs, blah, 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 blah. That's fine. I still appreciate you guys coming on here and trying to support my channel and stuff. I really do appreciate that part. But I mean, I understand as well, like most people are not going to want to support the MLM part. And I'm okay with that. I understand. I'm not gonna be like banning you from my page, you know? I'm not that kind of person. I'm not mean. But if anyone is interested in pharmacy, or if you know of anyone that might be interested in pharmacy and you're not, please send them my way. I'm hoping to like start doing a team, all the stuff. It's literally $20 to sign up and you guys can get a discount. All the goods, all the goods. I think I got foundation up my nose, but it's okay. I cannot wait. I ordered the new Bliss bundle though. I already said this to you guys. I ordered the Bliss bundle. I ordered like all this, like, and also the holiday thing bundle. Cannot wait to get that. So I ordered that on yesterday, of course, and I'm hoping that I can possibly get it later this week. And if I do, then of course I will do like a look with that stuff. So all right. I'm also going to go in with our pressed powder in shade 3, just to kind of mattify as well. forgot to put some concealer down. I'm going to conceal real quick. Okay. So I've had a sty for a little while, and I have been doing my makeup. I know most people should not, but it was okay. Like, it wasn't like too crazy, so I just continued to do my makeup. But now it's like finally gone. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the peach blush here. And then also the highlighter. I'm still not really happy with the eyeshadow. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with my main liquid lipstick in shade 204. Super pretty. May not go with the eye look, but I don't really care. They do dry down matte though. If anyone has questions about that, just let me know as well. Alright, and then I'm also going to go in with the brow powder. We do not have that available anymore, which freaking sucks, but it's okay. We do have our pencils available. We have brow wax. And what else do we have? I think that's about it. Oh, brow mascara. We have the brow mascara, which is also very nice as well. I've used that maybe a couple of times. I haven't fully used the brow mascara, but you know. I'm trying to like match my brows, but it's not working. Tyler should be coming home today. I'm so excited. So freaking excited, you guys. I think in the next like video or something, I might try to do lashes, but not today. Alright, I'm going in with the Time Locker. I should have ordered some of oh, I forgot mascara. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go in with the telescopic mascara that I ordered online. This is the wand. It's actually a really nice mascara too. You can get this on Ulta for like very affordable. So if you normally use like one of our mascaras, you can like go to Ulta real quick if you can't wait for that long, and you can literally just, ooh, it's like clumping on me. I think it's just because it has way too much product on it. It's okay, I'll fix it. But if you've been using like another mascara and you need one like ASAP, this is one that you guys should not skip out. Okay, my other lashes are looking a little spidery. And clumpy, apparently. Alright, you guys, and that is it. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Oh, I forgot setting spray. So the setting spray is our Time Locker setting spray. It is also a dupe for our for the Urban Decay. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what everyone else is saying. So if anyone has any questions about that, just let me know. And I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.